Hi, and welcome to the Shopit help video regarding importing your images into the website. So once you've signed up for a Shopit installation and you're ready to build your website, you will have gone through a number of processes to add your stock locations and your sales channels, your categories, and then have gone through the import of products. Now, one of the key elements of building a website is obviously to populate the images. In this particular example, I'm going to show you a client who has a number of images on his current website, because we're migrating them over to Shopit, but none of the images are labeled with the SKU. For example, there are processes that designers and developers can run to match a product with an SKU reference up to an image with that same SKU reference. But unfortunately, this guy doesn't have that because he's on an old system, and we're going to go through a process of doing it a little bit more manually, but making the process steps incredibly easy to follow. So this is the client's current website. As you can see, the categorization is incredibly basic. The products are there, but not particularly well laid out. There's no filters, etc. There's no great product detail, and hence the reason for him looking to move over. Now, one thing I want to do is to pull down a lot of the images. If you or your client doesn't have the images ready, there is a quick way for you to go and grab them all. With the domain name, if you pop in site : in front of that, you'll see all of the pages that Google knows about of that particular website. If you then flip onto the images tab, you'll actually see all of the images that Google knows about on that particular website. And there we can see we've got a great range of all of these various products. Now, they're all labeled with a particular description, and they're obviously all from that website. All we need to do in this scenario is create these two windows. So I've got my Finder window open there with a folder especially dedicated to the product images there. Now, I've done a lot of these already, but the process is very simple. Click an image, get the largest version possible. Like I said, the description's already there, and that's actually going to come with the image. And I think if I drag this one over, it's probably going to tell me that I've already got the image. Nope, okay, there it is. It's popped it in to there, today at 12:33. I'll go to my next image, the large stock pot, bring that over and drop it in. And it's that easy to be able to move all your images over. This guy's probably got, let's have a look, 5, 10, maybe 100 images, perhaps 120 images across the board. Some of them the small ones from the search pages, so we want to avoid those. The search results pages, or from the category pages. So, or that tiny one there. If I zoom into it, small one, we want to avoid those, but there will be the large image available somewhere else. Now, once we've built up all of these particular images, you can see that the naming convention is already in there, and then it's a case of matching them over. Here we've made a start on this particular website, but we've still got some items that lack the images. It's got our holding image in there. Bring up the products database, and let's go through and just start filtering it down to make it a lot easier to migrate over. So let me find, where was I? Orange. So I've got a particular product there. I will search for orange. These are the products that are related to those that have got orange in the title and thus related. Now, that particular one, you can see it's an orange casserole oval, 27 centimeters. There's the product. I'm going to open that into a new tab. Then I've got the 32. Let's check that one. That's the 32. I'm going to open that up into a new tab. That one is the, let's have a look, 22. Yep, looks like it's that one there. So I'm going to open those up into a new tab. This is the individual product page. There's the media and files. Also, my window's a little bit smaller. And there I've got the file chosen. Go and grab that image, drag it in, click upload. Go to the next one, the 32. Open the image upload, get the image, drag and drop. Next one, plus Go and get the image, drag and drop, and upload. You'll see that all of those are completed behind the scenes. Go back to the product listings page and refresh that. You can see the images have started to load into there. More of a manual process than doing an import based on SKUs, but to be fair, this guy's probably got 200, 250 products maybe. I know he's got about 150 images available, so there's a few that are perhaps new products and he's not yet taken the photography for. But this process probably takes no more than maybe an hour, 45 minutes to do lots of drag and drops across. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple.